How to remove limitations from your PayPal account. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to remove the limitations from your PayPal account. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is go to the PayPal website, which is just paypal.com, and then just sign in your account. And then after signing in your account, you'll be redirected here to this homepage. And then after that, what you want to do is go to your name right here and then click on account settings, and then you'll be redirected here to the account settings. And then after that, what you want to do is go to limits right here and then click on view. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So you will see everything here in your account limit. So you'll get to see your balance limit, receiving limits, sending limit, withdrawal limit, and a lot more. So to lift those limits, just scroll down and just click on lift limits right here. And then after that, PayPal will ask you your bank account. So just choose the bank that you're using right here. So for example, I'll be using Bank of America right here. And then from here, what you want to do is just input your banking details right here. And then once you're done, just click on agree and link. And then after that, all the limitations in your PayPal account will be lifted. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to remove the limitations in your PayPal account.